31 years, Dine on Pine. This is such a cool event, and I know everybody's gonna have such a good time tonight. We sell out every year, and the best part is every time you go to a new restaurant, you get to sit next to somebody new as well, and you get to know them, and you get to be friends with the Conservation Corps of Long Beach. So speaking of friends, every year we usually honor a champion, and then we honor a partner. But our champion this year, one of our biggest champions ever, Mr. Eric Lopez.
I'm a big believer in partnerships. When I had the privilege of being the public works director here, I always looked out for those opportunities. And that's what the Corps should be doing, training our youth and giving back to the community. So it is my pleasure to be here. Thank you all, and let's keep celebrating the Conservation Corps.
I always tell folks we're first and foremost a youth development organization. Ashley, come on up.
When I was deciding what career I wanted to pursue after high school, I only knew that I cared about the environment and that I wanted to do something that helped people. The Conservation Corps gave me the opportunity to work alongside organizations all throughout the greater Los Angeles area, doing work that benefited the environment and the communities that surrounded it.
I'm so honored to work with my colleagues Chris and Johnny, who have partnered with Corps members.
Watching the Corps, exponentially grow over the years it's fulfilling to the heart, because we all support the mission. We're all in this together. And
your mission is to enrich the youth through conservation and education. So we're reaching each other's missions together.
Y'all move mountains, I gotta tell you.